In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll contacts in a sequence in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you make the most out of the sequences feature to enhance your sales and marketing efforts. To start, you'll want to head over to your HubSpot account. Open your web browser and navigate to the trial guide section of HubSpot, specifically designed for the Sales Hub professional. This is where you'll access all the necessary tools to manage your contacts effectively and engage with them through sequences. Next, once you're in the trial guide, look for the CRM option and click on it. The Customer Relationship Management, or CRM tool, is the hub for all your contact management activities. By clicking on CRM, you're stepping into the center of your data-driven interactions, where you can track, manage, and nurture your customer relationships. After you've clicked CRM, direct your attention to the Contacts tab and click on it. This action will display a list of all your contacts. This Contacts section acts as your digital Rolodex, allowing you to keep track of all the individuals and companies you're engaging with. In our guide, we are using Brian Halligan as a sample contact. However, you'll want to choose the contact you're aiming to enroll in a sequence. Scroll through your contacts, or use the search option to find the right individual. Once you have found your desired contact, click on their name to open their contact record. Doing so will provide you with an overview of their information, communication history, and more. Now that you're in the contact record, it's time to get into action. Look for the email option on this page and click on it. By clicking on email, you're setting the stage for personalized communications. An email interface will open, ready for you to customize your message and tailor your engagement. With the email interface open, the next step is to click on Sequences. This is an integral feature for anyone looking to automate follow-up emails and tasks, ensuring no lead slips through the beta cracks. Clicking Sequences allows you to choose from predefined email sequences or create a new one depending on your communication strategy. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to enrolling a contact in a sequence in HubSpot. By following these steps, you've not only streamlined your communication process, but also leveraged HubSpot's powerful tools to enhance your marketing and sales efforts. I hope this guide has been helpful, and remember, the key to successful contact management is consistent and personalized engagement. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tricks.